Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying out a new product from Maybelline. I'm going to give you my first impressions on it. I have not done one of these videos in a long time, so we're starting off without anything on the face and then we'll try it out together and see how good this product is. This is a new cream blush from Maybelline. It's called Sunkissed, so they have quite a few shades. On the packaging it says blush. On the display it did say blush plus highlighter plus bronzer together, so I'm not sure if it's just supposed to be a blush or like all things combined. I was kind of surprised when I scanned it. It had no price near it, so I didn't expect it to be $20 Canadian. So hopefully this is like an amazing blush, because I don't think I would have necessarily paid that if I saw a price underneath, but once I scanned it I was like, whatever, okay, we'll try this out. We'll see how it looks on the skin, give it a whirl, see what it feels like, if it's any good. So if you guys are curious about the Maybelline Sunkissed blush and how it looks, then just keep watching. I don't have any Maybelline foundation, so I'm just gonna go in with my CoverGirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfector, which I love to use. This one looks so hydrating and dewy on the skin, and it's got this like neat kind of separation between the product and like a moisturizing serum. And once you just place it on the skin and spread it out, it just gives you a nice bit of coverage and nice hydration as well. I'm just gonna add a little bit of concealer as well, just to cover up the dark circles. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me, and I have this in the shade Light Medium. And we're just going to brighten up these inner corners. I don't really wanna put too much on my face because I really wanna see how the blush looks. So I'm not gonna do any bronzer or contour, just so we can get a full effect of the blush. So I picked out the shade Downtown Rush, so 01. This one looks like the most neutral, with kind of like a peachy, pinky, golden neutral tone. They did have some pinks, some golds. I feel like there was like plum there, so a good shade range of different blushes. So let's see how this looks. So you get a big doe for this. Looks like I just want to put it on my lips, to be honest, but it is a blush, so we will pop that on. Yeah, so this definitely has peach, strong peach undertones. This elf complexion brush to buff it out. Whoa, okay. It feels hydrating. I don't know if I would consider it a blush, bronzer, highlighter. Maybe blush highlighter. It's not coming up as pigmented on camera. I'll put some more on and then just buff it out with my hands. We'll do the apple of the cheek. So it is very smooth and liquidy and hydrating. It does look very skin-like. Like it's drying down to kind of a powder feel, but also staying like hydrated looking, if that makes sense. I don't want to put more on because I do have a lot on right now. I guess I could just wash my face after, but it is more pigmented in person than on camera. It's a pretty color. It's a very pretty color. I think my only question is it worth $20? That's my only kind of like stipulation. So here's how it looks in the natural light, and I did go on the Maybelline website, and on there it's only $12, so that is a much better deal. I would purchase it online. All right, hopefully the natural lighting gave you a better idea of what the product looks like. It's definitely there. When I see it, I can see that I have like a peach flush to my cheeks. I'm just kind of confused on like the highlighter, bronzer plus blush part. Like this is definitely just a cream blush. I think it's trying to mimic the Rare Beauty blushes with the doe foot and how you apply it, and the cream blush. It's a very pretty color. I like the color. I like how it kind of just looks like natural on the skin. It gives a slight glow, but it's like dried down enough that it's not going to be like emollient or move around. I just don't know that I would pay $20 for this again. I'll definitely use it, but when you can get like an e.l.f. blush or even the ones from Essence for $7, $8, the ones from e.l.f. are like $12, $13. I don't know if this makes sense to get a $20 blush. You're getting a comparable product. That's all. And I don't get the whole highlighter bronzer blush thing that was underneath it on the display. Anyways, if you guys were curious about the Maybelline Sunkissed blushes, this is what it looks like. Those are my thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.